Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we're talking about 5 websites that can help you earn money from home in 2024. Some of these can even replace your full-time income. Make sure to watch till the end. Number 1 on our list is Honeygain. Honeygain lets you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Just install the Honeygain app and it starts accumulating credits that can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or Bitcoin. This is perfect if you spend most of your day not using your internet. I'm currently traveling and outsourcing my Wi-Fi to Honeygain. I'll let you know how it goes, but I've already started earning. Next up is Test.io. If you're a tech enthusiast, you can earn money by testing apps, websites, and other digital products for bugs and usability issues. You get rewarded for each bug you find or for completing test cases. The income can vary, but it's a fun side hustle for tech lovers with great attention to detail. Links down below if you're interested. The next one is Upwork, and I'll also include Fiverr since they're similar. These are leading platforms for freelancers. Upwork caters to a wide range of professional services, and Fiverr operates on a gig-based system. I started as a career coach on Upwork, and now I hire freelancers from both platforms. Whether you need a quick gig or long-term projects, these platforms are great for making a full-time income, especially if you live in a low-cost area. Next is Rakuten, a well-known cashback platform. They partner with many retailers, so you can earn cashback on purchases you were going to make anyway. During the holiday season or big purchases, check Rakuten first. You can use their website, Chrome extension, or mobile app. I've deleted the retailer apps from my phone and always go through Rakuten for cashback. Finally, we have Prime Opinion. This site lets you earn rewards by participating in surveys. They offer a gamified experience with bonuses for reaching new levels. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a nice way to earn extra cash in your spare time. You can make up to $11 a day by sharing your opinions on various topics. Let me know which one of these websites is your favorite, and if you try any, share your experience in the comments. If you like content about side hustles, making money online, and finance, hit that subscribe button. I release new videos every Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.